In this meditation today, we will delve into the powerful emotions of shame and work on identifying and releasing them. Shame is an emotion that can weigh heavily on our hearts and minds, and it's essential to address it with love and compassion. Shame is a deep and often hidden emotion that can impact our lives in profound ways. It's important to understand that shame is a feeling of unworthiness and inadequacy, often linked to a sense of being fundamentally flawed. As children, we might have felt shame for things beyond our control, like our family circumstances, our appearance, or our abilities. In our daily lives, shame can manifest in our relationships, our self-esteem, or even our dreams and ambitions. Find a quiet and a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Remember, do not listen to this meditation while driving or doing any activity that requires you to be alert. Close your eyes and let's embark on this journey of understanding and healing. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, breathing in slowly and exhaling slowly. Imagine any tension or worries leaving your body with each breath. You are in a serene and a peaceful garden, surrounded by gentle sounds of nature. Now, visualize a journal in your hands. The journal is your sacred space, a place where you can explore your inner world. You hold it as we journey into understanding and releasing shame. Think about the times in your life when you felt shame. These experiences can be from your childhood or recent moments. Allow your mind to recall these feelings without judgment. These memories are a key to understanding and releasing shame. Consider the following questions, and with each question, imagine yourself writing your responses in your journal or making a mental note of the answers that come to your mind. What are the situations or events that have made you feel ashamed? Keep noting the answers that come to your mind and write down into your journal. How have these experiences affected your self-esteem and self-worth? Are there recurring patterns or beliefs about yourself that are linked to shame? Do you feel shame about things you have or haven't done? Have you carried the weight of shame for things beyond your control? Think of all the times where you were knowingly or unknowingly put into situations that made you feel shameful. For example, you accidentally fell down and people laughed at you. You made a silly mistake while talking or working. Maybe people commented negatively on your dressing sense. Or maybe you were not able to do a simple activity. Or you failed in some activity. You didn't get recognition when you deserved it. Or maybe you had to cancel an event that you were excited about. Or maybe you felt ashamed because you didn't have enough money, or you couldn't openly talk about it. Maybe you had to talk in public and you stuttered or went blank. Or maybe someone commented on your weight and looks, leaving a deep impact on your heart. Such incidents bring about deep shame within us, and over time we forget about it, thereby internalizing our shame. Write your emotions in your journal and allow these emotions to be acknowledged. Now that you've identified these feelings, it's time to release them. Say to yourself, I acknowledge my feelings of shame, but I choose to release them. I am not defined by my past mistakes or circumstances. I am worthy of love, understanding, and compassion. I am ready to let go of this heavy burden. With this affirmation, visualize the weight of shame lifting from your shoulders like a dark cloud, dissipating in the clear blue sky. As you slowly return to the present, remind yourself of today's centering thought. I release the burden of shame and embrace my worthiness. I am deserving of love and acceptance. I release the burden of shame and embrace my worthiness. I am deserving of love and acceptance. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to explore and heal. Carry this sense of release and self-compassion with you throughout your day, knowing that you are moving towards a life free from the chains of known and unknown shame. Have a wonderful day.